this is Kay. I'm an English education major with a ravenous curiosity about literature and the world around me. And this is my booktube. I decided to start a booktube for two main reasons. First of all, I love analyzing and discussing literature. It truly helps me get to the heart of the book and what the author was trying to say about society, and I figured this would be a perfect platform to discuss that. Second of all, the booktube community has always fascinated me and drawn me in. It just seems like such a warm, welcoming community where book lovers are free to talk about their favorite books and be nerds, and that's acceptable, which I just love. So, a few things this channel will include are book reviews about mostly classic literature, as that is what I enjoy reading. Also, book analysis videos where I will talk about different rhetorical devices and symbols in books and how they portray a criticism about society. And lastly, book hauls, because who doesn't love a good book haul? Thank you so much for watching this video, and please stay tuned for more coming soon.